This is a Cadillac Escalade 2013 side mirror, and I wanted to show you what the internals of this look like. And you can see here, this is the part that holds the side mirror on, and there's a cup in here, and there's a cup here that snaps into it. And when you put it together, you want to make sure that it's matched up properly so that it lines up with your mirror. But these are the internals. Close up. And how they snap together. I'm going to show you how this reassembles so you can get it apart if you need to. All right. So we've gotten the two pieces together. We had the cup earlier that we put together, and now our piece looks like this. And we're going to put it in. We're going to put it in here. So there is a plug that you have to get. Let's get the plug up here. This plug here will go right into here. So I'm going to plug that in now. Snaps in there. And then to put this together, I think this requires, this screw is a 6-point screw, six points, a star pattern. I think it's a Torx T7. I didn't have one, so I'm using a 5/64, so it's pretty close. You might want to try the actual one you're supposed to use, but when you line this up, this is set like this. It's got a little extra bit here that goes on the top, and it lines up like that. Show yourself. Put yourself on.
No.
Okay, and this one goes in here. The other one in here.
You just tighten them up, or?
Yeah, you get them kind of snug up. And one more.
Get that one.
Yeah, don't forget that fourth one. Super important. Okay. Okay, they're all in there. Now I'm going to take this, and you can see it has a plug here and two pieces here, and I did,
How'd you like?
when I took these
determine
apart,
that?
when I took these apart, I took some nail polish and put on here. I don't know if you can see it right there. And I flagged that one so that when I put this together, I knew that that one went here. So I match marked those previously.
I had this
When I
fixed
took it
pretty
apart.
good with.
Yeah, you did. It was pretty good shape. And then this plug, you cannot get it wrong. It only goes on one way. It won't fit the other way. So that plugs in there like that. And now, all you have to do is, since we line these up right,
Pop it in.
pop it in there. Just like that.
Then,
It pops down like that.
oh, look at that.
and then it's done,
I think that's better than my double stick tape.
probably. Okay, let's see if it
Awesome.
works.
It does. It's moving.
Whoa, that is amazing.
That is awesome.
Should we just keep going like this
I
for a
love
while?
it. Yeah, I mean, like, make it dance or something.
Oh,
Oh, yeah.
I'm dancing. I'm
Oh.
dancing.
I haven't worked for a while. Now I'm dancing.
All right, that's it.
You want to give a peace out or something?